the government of Burundi normally put in place a commission by the Attorney General. The commission has worked and even issued a report on what was happening. That's why I said that for the days of 13 and 14, the people who are responsible for what happened were these people who tried this coup. The government of Burundi is ready to sit and discuss so that we can really end this problem. We are very concerned. Very concerned. The government of Burundi is very concerned. That's why you are here. Otherwise, it's not a tourism you are doing. No. That's why I have called you. You are here to tell you that the government of Burundi is ready to sit and discuss so that Burundi, all Burundi people can really live in peace and harmony.